Alright guys, see you all boy Big Tank from Double South, and for this particular tutorial now, I go show now how to install jQuery and the things web like so we go use now to follow up for this tutorial. So to go up here now, I go open my browser, then you see I already open these two web page for here now. So this first one I wish is brackets now. Now just simple light text editor web like see if you still create websites, and I got advice now. I'm gonna download them more use for this our tutorial because now I'm gonna use throughout this tutorial series. I'm not going to another one. So if you use other ones, so based on your choice, if you use other ones, but based on now this one I'm not gonna use now, it go make brain if you follow me just do the way I do my own like that. You get now understand what I try to talk. So if you download them, you download them. If you get other ones where they use, if you use them too, anyhow. We will see the push ourselves, they go in IDB. Alright, so then for brackets, then we'll come here now. I go show now how to install jQuery. So what will happen here now? We will come here, we'll click on this download button. So we'll click on the download button now. You see, this place will just show you different ways where like say if you stay call jQuery for inside your website or your web page, or how to use them. You see, different things not there, but more not to go down because some advanced ones not there. Now it will just need to be this one here. So you see this two here now. So one they show download the uncompressed production jQuery. That means now the latest version, but this one. Then download the compressed one like that. So what I go do, I'll select this first, second one, which is uncompressed for development, because most times now if you still do your development like that, now good way to use this one because it's easier to debug. But if you want, if you don't finish your website now, say you want host now, then if you go use this production for you now, I also download that to replace one, it will still work like that. So they go up and I'll click. So if I click now, see, I say you open this page for me now with all this many code now. So all this code is now have the jQuery now. You get all this code now be the jQuery. So they go happen. I go right click, then I go say save as. So when I say save as now, you see I already saved my before. So if you save when you save now, you put on for inside your project now. So I'll go open my brackets quickly now, and I go show you what I do so far. So if you see now, I get this folder now, which is jQuery tutorial series. Then, in fact, I will put the folder self. If you look and I get the folder jQuery tutorial series, then inside here now, I get this JS folder now, which stands for JavaScript. If I click and open inside now, you see I see I get jQuery for inside here. That is one what I download just now. Then I get my HTML outside. You feel me? So, what I go do, I go come this place. I go say, I go just right click, I'll say new file, then I'll just say app.js. So with this app.js go do now, so all the code web like say we go to use that's our own custom code web like say we want use now for this our tutorials now. Now inside this app.js now we go to write down. But before we enter this first, I just come here now. What I go do, I'll come this place now, I'll link the two files now. That means the jQuery where we download now. I go link them, then I go still link the app.js now. So the first one I go do now, just before the ending of this body tag now, you get just before the end of this body tag, even though say you don't how they call it now, so even though say you don't write so many codes for here now, you get even though say you don't write so many codes for here now, just before this body tag end now you suppose put your JavaScript files. I'll go explain for another video why good to do one like this. Not be saying put over top here, but I will show you why it's good to put on for here. So what I'll do now, just going, I'll say, I could use the script tag now. I'll say script. And inside the script now, we won't call this jQuery file. So what I'll just say source. Then I'll say JS / this jQuery 3.4.1 now. You get. So I'll call this one. So what I'll do, I'll duplicate, then I'll change this other for button to app.js. Want you to understand it, this app.js not ever put on for the top of the jQuery. Very, very important. The jQuery not supposed to come first. You know why? Because every time like so they write for here now, it feed from this jQuery file where there now. So if you go put this on the top now, based on say the documents, the codes they read from up, they come down now. So you go first see this one now before you go to see the jQuery file. Then all the code that we write inside this one now, will not go for actually the thing not go actually work when I be on say you know they see the jQuery file now. This when the first go see it get. So make sure see the jQuery file now, it come first before you put this app.js file create now. You feel me? Alright. So what I go just do now, just to show now quickly now, I'll just come the app.js, then I'll say this here, man. I'll come the app.js, then I'll just come here, I'll say dollar document. Most whether the jQuery now, whether the thing or install, whether our page is here, I'll say dollar document dot ready. Then I'll say function, and we'll do one like this. Put this file in the air. So I can just say alert. Then my type and jQuery don't show like this. So when I do this up, leave all these links out back. So I'll do one like this now. Then I'll come this now. My runner with Opera. Okay. So now when I see now, they say this page says jQuery don't show. You see now. So whenever we refresh our page now, you see the jQuery file now. They see to right inside there now. They say this page don't show now. So you see I think they easy to install now for inside this place now. Just a kind of few lines of code now we just need to write now. You get out get them. So before we enter the next video, I want to just talk one small thing now. This jQuery now, I see I say one with the download just now, so we'll not pay money. So a very free thing to use to get. And one important thing you need to understand now, jQuery will not be programming language. You get jQuery will not be programming language now, JavaScript library. Skype the fix maybe because the thing they do so many things where like you know need to use JavaScript again now, then you know need to go learn JavaScript again. Now a very, very bad mindset. If you get that mindset that you don't fuck up, you get. So if you learn jQuery, it's very, very important for you to go learn JavaScript because jQuery now just library. You get not just library, but now JavaScript library. So many other libraries that they where like if you don't know JavaScript, you just fall your hand in here. You get. So that one. Then another way like you need to understand now jQuery now they make working with the DOM very easy. When I say DOM now, it means document object model now. You get. They make working with the DOM now very, very easy. So people know to understand the DOM, but I just see as I'll explain now. The DOM now, so now just how browsers still display our web page. Whether not the easiest definition of this, I don't know. But if you reason like this, now how the browser still determine which thing could they render out for our web page. You get how the browser still determine which thing could they render out for our web page, and we fit use this jQuery now to manipulate those elements with the browser they show. We fit to manipulate them from our jQuery or our app.js file bless will create now. So we have to manipulate all those elements now. So meaning all the things like you write from the HTML go now like the browser that render now. From this our app.js now we they manipulate now the ads, they remove all those kind of things now they get. We have to do animations and we have to do so many crazy things like that now. So kind of fresh stuff where like make our work sweet to get. So we want to talk on this tutorial now. What's going to happen? Just follow me up now for the next tutorial. We'll talk more and we'll see what we'll learn for that video now to get. So in the be now, I see me your lawyer boy Big Tank from Double South, and like the video, subscribe, and tell your guys in the year they happen. I'll see you now for the next tutorial. Thank you.